Do you ever get a little bit nervous trying to park in a parking lot? Ford's Active Park Assist makes it so you don't have to worry about that anymore. We got this 2020 Ford Edge Platinum. Time to park. This little steering wheel with the P, Park Assist button. I hit that, up on my screen, I get this. We don't want to do parallel parking, we want to do perpendicular parking. Scanning, use turn signal, please drive forward. Turn signal to the right, because that's where I want to go. I'm going to start driving slowly. Oh, it found a spot. Now it's telling me to release steering wheel and shift into neutral. Neutral. Now release brake and start to hold the park button. Brake released, hitting the park button. Holy smokes! I can see on the camera here exactly what's happening. It's turning to straighten me out now, sensing behind me when to stop. Now I can take my hand off of that. We're done. Perpendicular parking, pretty easy. How about parallel parking? Neutral, hold this button. Oh man, it's really doing it. Nailed it. Not too shabby if I do say so myself. Ford Active Park Assist. Just another reason why you should head on into Nucar.